All right, y'all, check it out. I bought a 2015 Nissan Leaf from auction, and I didn't go down and look at it, which you should probably always do. I did not do that, but you know, it just had a little bit of damage here. It looked pretty good. Nothing else. There's some damage here, but you probably wouldn't even need to fix that. The rest of the car looked good on the outside. The inside was a little dirty. Let's zoom in here. This is the most important part. Is the battery life. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars of battery life. That's good for me. 87,000 miles. And then if we go back to the listing here, it says it runs and drives. Love that. Yeah, so this was in South Denver. I took a gamble on it, bought it sight unseen, and I'll show you what showed up here. All right, here she comes. What should we name her?
Sheila.
What?
Sheila.
Love it. Here comes Sheila. Check out the body damage, y'all.
Oh yeah, are we taking off?
We're gonna switch it. Yep, we're gonna switch it out. Juan hooked me up last time. He towed this one over here before. Yeah, so it's been parted. The big battery came out of it. Yeah. See how it's jacked up right here? I think we can still use it though.
You're gonna pop it out, or
you know who,
are you gonna fix it?
You know who this car's for?
Who?
Palmer.
It's for Palmer?
Fixing this up for Palmer. He doesn't know one. All right, first look here. Yeah, it's got 2 keys. Hell yeah. All right, I just turned it on. I'll shut the door so it'll shut up. Okay, door shuts. It works. Goes forward. Goes backwards. 87,000 miles. It's got 10 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm here with my friend Mark. We are putting this Leaf back together with parts off of this one. So we got 2 gray Generation 1 Leafs here. You can see this one's been gutted. Lots of parts have been taken. This one's pretty much good. It just looks horrible because the bumper's off. We have taken all this off to get this off because it got smashed right here. We're trying to get this one off, this fender off. I'll hold this so it don't fall. Yeah, baby. Free, fender free. Woohoo! Yeah. We got our good fender. Coming on over to this car. Should we vacuum this out? That'd be satisfying. All right, got all that junk vacuumed out of there. It's good to get that stuff out because it holds moisture. You don't want wet stuff in here. Start growing plants and. All right, so I want this to look like this. My first attempt at this was screwing a bolt into a hole in the bent piece there, but I wasn't able to grab onto it. It just pulled right out. Next, we got the old lighter out and tried to heat up the metal, hooked up a crank strap to the other Leaf and started cranking on it. And this actually worked. It pulled that bent piece out far enough so that the bolt holes lined up on the new fender. And we were able to get that second bolt in, so both of these front bolts are in. Oh, I'm pumped. All right, we got the fender on. Fender liner's going on. All right, so here's a clip of us trying to mend the bumper. It was cracked. I bought a plastic welding gun I was excited to use. We actually didn't end up using it. We duct taped it, and that actually seemed to work pretty well. So for now, it's got duct tape holding it. It wasn't a major crack. Well, we need to get waiting on this clip for this side. It's the only part we don't have. It was damaged in both cars. So we're pausing for today. We ordered it from the Nissan dealer. We're just cleaning up right now. All right, we got our new clip from Nissan. Looks like a Leaf. Looks pretty good.
Yeah, that's great.
All right, this is the last piece we're putting on. We didn't know what it was. We had to look it up by the part number. It goes right here. It slides in. Check it out. Much, much better. Let's turn those lights on. It's even got xenons. It's a SV, y'all. It's got all the stuff. There's our lot number. All right, first drive. You're good? Yeah, you're good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's... Dude, this is sick. This is nice. Okay, here's some brakes. Probably have got some rust on them. How's it feel to drive?
Feels good.
Yeah? Dude, yeah, boy. There she goes. Giving it a little rip there. The old 80 kilowatts. The old 80 kilowatts. I'm pumped. I'm pumped. We just made a freaking... Oh, I feel like Matt Armstrong right now. So cool. What are your thoughts?
There's a hum.
Okay.
From
Like a wheel, it might need a...
like right in this area.
There's a hum.
It's like a very, very faint.
Do you think it's the piece that we didn't put on? Wind going through?
No. It's like a, it sounds like the tire or something.
Like whoa, 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 whoa.
Sorta.
Could be a wheel bearing.
Could be.
All right, so that is freaking awesome. We got the car together. It looks awesome. It's functional. It seems like it drives well. Everything works as far as we know so far. Yeah, it was fun getting to play like Matt Armstrong, where you buy a car wrecked from auction. Ours was barely wrecked, but you got to start somewhere. And I had this one anyways, and I knew I had a good fender, so it felt really good to be able to pull more parts off of this car and fix that other one. So it feels good. I'm pumped that we did that. It really wasn't that hard. We probably had, I don't know, 4 hours into the car fixing it. So not bad. I'm tempted to buy another one that needs like, you know, driver's side doors or something like that. But as for now, thanks for watching this. Yeah, that was fun. And we put another Leaf back on the road. All right. Check you next time. Bye.